Manus. New Chinese AI super agent update is insane. Today I'm going to show you how this Chinese AI just broke the internet with something nobody saw coming. They just launched wide research. While everyone else uses one AI agent, Manus spins up over 100 agents working together. What took teams 10 hours now takes 10 minutes. This is bigger than anything we've seen in AI this year. Get ready to have your mind blown. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. And today, we're talking about something that just happened that has everyone in the AI world talking. A Chinese AI company called Manus just dropped something so crazy that it's making OpenAI and Google scramble to catch up. They call it wide research. And I'm not kidding when I say this could change everything about how we use AI. So, what is Manus? Most people haven't heard of them yet. They're this AI company from Singapore. But here's the thing, they've been quietly building what they call a general AI agent. Not just a chatbot, not just another AI tool, a full AI agent that can actually do real work for you. Think of it like having a super smart assistant that never sleeps, never gets tired, and can handle pretty much any task you throw at it. But here's where it gets insane. Everyone else in AI is doing what they call deep research. OpenAI has it, Google has it, even the new AI companies are all copying the same thing. Deep research means one really smart AI agent digs deep into a topic. It spends hours researching, reading everything, writing detailed reports. But Manus said, forget that. What if instead of one agent working for hours, we had 100 agents working together for minutes? That's wide research. And it just launched on July 31st, 3 days ago. Here's how crazy this is. Let me show you what they demonstrated. They wanted to research 100 different sneakers. Normally, this would take a person days, maybe weeks. Even AI deep research would take hours. Manus wide research did it in minutes. They spun up 100 agents, one for each sneaker. Each agent looked at design, pricing, availability, reviews, all at the same time. Then they combined all the results into a perfect spreadsheet and web page. 100 agents working together, like having 100 employees all focused on your one project. But wait, it gets better. Most AI tools let you burn through your credits without warning, then you get a huge bill. Manus, built-in credit monitoring, it shows you exactly how much you're spending before you spend it, and warns you if you're about to go over budget. The batch content generation is mind-blowing. Need 50 social media posts? Done. Need 100 product descriptions? Done. Need slides for 20 different presentations, all created at the same time by different agents working together. But here's the part that really gets me excited. Each agent isn't just specialized for one thing. Every single agent in wide research is a full Manus instance. That means each one can do anything Manus can do. Most multi-agent systems give agents specific roles. One agent is the manager, one agent codes, one agent designs. But if the designer agent gets stuck, the whole system breaks down. Not with wide research. Every agent is like having a full AI employee. If one gets stuck, another can jump in and help. They all work together, but they're all capable of handling any task. The technical stuff behind this is incredible. Each agent runs on its own cloud computer. That's right, when you use Manus, you're not just talking to an AI. You're controlling a whole cloud computing setup through conversation. It's like having access to a supercomputer that you control just by talking to it. And unlike other AI agents that might hallucinate or make stuff up, these agents are doing real research, going to real websites, pulling real data, then organizing it exactly how you need it. But the time savings aren't even the best part. It's the cost savings. Running 100 agents for 10 minutes costs way less than running one agent for 10 hours. They showed a before and after. Before wide research, a typical task needed 5 full-time employees working for 2 hours. That's 10 hours of human work. After wide research, one person using Manus can get the same result in 10 minutes. That's 60 times faster. And here's something nobody else is doing. The AI agents actually talk to each other. They have their own protocol for sharing information and coordinating work. Think about it. When you have a team of people working on a project, they need to communicate, share updates, make sure they're not duplicating work. The agents do the same thing automatically. This is why wide research works so well. It's not just 100 agents working independently. It's 100 agents working as a coordinated team. Now, I need to be honest with you, this isn't available to everyone yet. Right now, it's only for their pro users who pay $199 a month. That's not cheap, but when you think about what you're getting, it makes sense. You're getting access to what is basically a personal supercomputer. With 100 AI agents ready to work on your projects, available 24/7, They're planning to roll it out to their cheaper plans soon. But if you're serious about using AI in your business, the Pro plan might be worth it just for wide research. Here's what I think is really happening. Everyone in AI has been focused on making individual AI models smarter. GPT-5 will be smarter than GPT-4, Claude 4 is smarter than Claude 3, and so on. But Manus realized something. Maybe the future isn't about one super smart AI, maybe it's about lots of smart AIs working together. And honestly, that makes more sense. Think about how humans solve big problems. We don't rely on one genius. We put together teams of smart people who specialize in different areas. Wide research is like having an instant team of 100 experts, all working on your problem, all coordinating their efforts, all delivering results faster than any single expert could. The practical applications are endless. Market research that used to take months now takes hours. Content creation that required whole teams now happens automatically. Product comparisons that were impossible before are now simple. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about this. Are you as excited as I am? Or do you think this is just hype? The practical applications are endless. You could use it to research the top 100 MBA programs worldwide. Each agent takes one program and creates a comprehensive comparison spreadsheet. You could analyze 500 stocks. Each agent looks at financial performance, analyst ratings, and recent news, then ranks them all by investment potential. A marketing agency could create social media campaigns for 50 different clients simultaneously. Each agent handles one client and creates custom posts and content calendars. This is the kind of AI that can actually transform how businesses operate, not just make things a little faster, actually change what's possible. The infrastructure is already there for any task that can be broken down into parallel work. Imagine batch, creating hundreds of videos, or analyzing thousands of customer reviews, or optimizing hundreds of marketing campaigns simultaneously. But here's what really impresses me about Manus. They're thinking about the user experience. The credit monitoring shows they understand people need to control costs. Now, if you want to stay ahead of these AI developments and learn exactly how to implement tools like wide research in your business, you need to check out the AI Success Lab. We have over 14,000 members and over 100 different AI tutorials covering every major tool. You get step-by-step guides, use cases, and access to a community of entrepreneurs all sharing what's working. The link is in the comments and description. But let me get back to wide research, because there's more. The fact that this is coming from China is significant. For years, everyone assumed the US would dominate AI. OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, all the big names are American. Wide research is different from anything OpenAI or Google has built. It's not trying to be a better version of ChatGPT. It's solving problems that ChatGPT can't solve. This is the kind of innovation that changes industries. When someone takes a completely different approach and shows it works better, and honestly, I think we're going to see more of this. Companies from around the world taking unique approaches to AI, not just trying to build the biggest language model, but finding new ways to make AI actually useful. The really smart companies are going to adopt tools like wide research early, before everyone else figures out how powerful they are. And for content creators, marketers, researchers, analysts, consultants, anyone who does knowledge work, this is game-changing. The bottleneck has always been time. How much research can you do? How much content can you create? How many options can you analyze? Wide research removes those bottlenecks. Suddenly, you can research 100 options as easily as one, create 50 pieces of content as fast as one, analyze hundreds of data points simultaneously. This isn't just about doing the same work faster, it's about doing work that was impossible before. And that's what gets me most excited about AI right now. Not just making existing processes better, creating entirely new possibilities. Wide research is one of those breakthrough moments, like when the iPhone showed that phones could be computers, or when Google showed that search could be instant and relevant. It's a new category of AI tool, and Manus built it first. Now here's the question. How are you going to use this kind of technology? Because it's not enough to just know about it. The real advantage comes from actually using it. Start thinking about tasks in your business that could be parallelized. Research projects that require looking at multiple options, content creation that needs variation and scale, analysis that requires processing lots of data. Those are the perfect use cases for wide research. And the sooner you start using it, the bigger advantage you'll have over competitors who are still doing things the old way. Wide research is just the beginning. Manus is building more features on the same infrastructure. Other companies are going to copy this approach, and soon having 100 AI agents working for you will be normal. But right now it's still new, still gives you an advantage, still makes people say wow when they see what you can accomplish. That window won't last forever. So if you're serious about using AI to scale your business, to save time, to get better results, now is the time to act. If you want to get ahead of this trend and start using AI to actually scale your business, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share the latest AI tools and strategies with over 1,000 members who are already using AI to grow their businesses. We keep you ahead of every new development so you never miss an opportunity. Next, if you want to see exactly how we can help implement AI in your business to get more leads and customers, book a free SEO strategy session with my team. We'll show you step by step how to use these tools. The link is in the comments and description. And finally, if you want access to over 100 AI tutorials and use cases, join the AI Success Lab. You can see the checklist of 100 different tutorials that I give away as freebies every day inside the school feed, plus all the video notes from videos like this one. It has 14,000 members because people don't want to miss out on being part of something this big. Link in the comments and description. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you let me know what you think about wide research and how you plan to use it. This is the kind of AI update that changes everything, and I wanted to make sure you heard about it first because the future of work is here, and it looks like 100 AI agents working together to make you more successful than ever before. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be covering more AI breakthroughs that you need to know about.